Hello and welcome. This is Abhishek Mitra, CEO and founder of Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, and today let us discuss about something which we do it's conducting effective penetration testing. Now, penetration testing is critical for identification of vulnerabilities, and here's how effectively you can do it. Choose the right tools. Use industry standard tools like Metasploit, Nmap, Burp Suite for comprehensive testing. Follow a structured methodology. Adapt a methodology like OWSP for systematic testing, including reconnaissance, scanning, exploitations, and reporting. Right. Number 3 is analyze results. Thoroughly analyze the findings to understand the potential impact and prioritize the remediations as per the CVSS scores of the vulnerabilities. Actionable insights. Implement fixes based on the test results and retest to ensure that vulnerabilities are resolved. This is the process of VAPT that we do. Effectively, pen testing enhances your security posture. Stay safe, stay secure.